Big changes are coming to our channel. Massive changes that may result in some downtime. But before we pause, there's time for one more epic Hogs for Hospice motorcycle rally. This is Scott Fraser. And this is me, Gary Parsons. We are the Northern Road Kings, and Hogs for Hospice 2024 starts right now. We start Saturday morning with a registered ride from Leamington into Point Pelee and back.
Bartender, please. I need a shot and I'm begging up my knees. The way to fight is one battle at a time. You may have won today, but I'll see you at the finish line. All is fair in love and war. You pull no brakes when you're
Next, it's the rest stop in Kingsville. Now on to Seacliff Park for the main venue. Alright YouTube, it's time for one last Leamington ride before we close this out.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world going bad.
Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, and smash that subscribe button for more. And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.